Hello Herman. I just thought I'd create a short video explaining how can we edit the annotations and delete them and share a few updates. So basically this was the page that we were talking about, and you mentioned first you mentioned this annotation which shows nothing. I added a really nice story over here, but somehow I guess during testing someone deleted it. No problem. One can edit and change the annotation, and like you mentioned, best would be to delete the annotation altogether and create a new one. So we deleted that annotation and we start by creating a box based annotation with default blue color. Okay, now we have this edit and annotation panel open. What I do normally, I organize the content of annotation to be created in Word file, or you can use the notepad or any text editor. That's the text part of the annotation that we'd like to add. I just paste the text part over here. That's the text of the annotation. Next comes the image part. We add a small image. I have this image placed in our wiki system. I create an image, go over here, add the image. We can adjust its dimension. We can just say let's make it 250 pixel based image. That's the image. And next, what I do usually, I add this read more at the end, and I can make it bold to make it more prominent, and link the original article, which is this really very nice article about how King Richard was captured in this Lewiston castle, and link this read more text with the URL of the original article. It opens in a new window. So with this I save. Now my annotation is ready. Some really nice text about giving basic information about the annotation, then a picture, and then a link which when clicked takes you to this page where the original article is. So okay, now coming to this part about Kreisky-Gasse. I'll adjust the size and color of this box. By the way, I also edited the caption of the image. Instead of town hall and parliament, I added aerial view of Vienna. Basically, town hall and parliament was in the original text, so I had to edit it anyway. So in this annotation we have three parts. One is the text, then the video, and a map link to where actually this street is. You mentioned that when you click this red link Kreisky-Gasse, it takes you nowhere. Basically it's not a link, it's just a heading. I usually add link to this read more, but what I'll do, I'll create a link to this text as well and maybe remove the read more information. So what you can do is you can just delete all this altogether and create three small boxes with text part, the map part, and the video part of the annotation. The text part will have link to the original article. I will do it in few minutes. I just like to show you another cool annotation I added on 6th page. That's the main very famous square in Vienna. I just added this annotation. Basically I did a little yellow filling in this box. You can select this filling in characteristics from this tooltip section. It's a 360 view of this exact location. We have very good 360 views of all the famous places. So when somebody sees this annotation,